Welcome to another part of the ISM Exercise Set Microeconomics. This time with a unit on costs. Let's start with the exercise. Here we have just the following table and we need to fill in the missing columns. Well, for this I will just copy this table to the solution slide. Then we can start with the total cost. Why with the total cost? Well, we have the average costs and we have the outputs, and we know the average costs result by dividing the total costs by the output. So what we can just do is multiply the average cost with the output and we get the total costs. So this is actually a problem for the first one because we don't have average cost, because we have an output of 0, so we cannot get this. But for the next one, we have 100 times 120, so 12,000. Then 190 times 110, giving 20,900. Then 275 times 106.67, giving here this result. Then 355 times 105, that's one. And finally 430 times 104, giving total cost of 44,720. Okay, now we have the total cost and we have the fixed cost of 20. So we can just subtract 20 from the total cost, giving us the variable costs. Again, we don't have total cost, so the first one we leave blank, but else we have 12,000 minus 20, giving us this. 20,900 minus 20, giving us that one. Then the next one minus 20, and minus 20. So this is relatively straightforward. However, for the marginal cost, we actually have to do a bit more. Again, however, the first one we could not get, because what we do for the marginal cost is we consider output and cost development. So we take a look at the increase of costs divided by the increase of output. So again, the second one we can also not calculate because we're missing the first cost value. But for the next one, we have an increase in costs, in total costs, of 8,900. We are dividing this increase by the increase in output. So we have an increase in output of 90. So we're dividing the 8,900 by 90, giving us marginal cost of 98.888. Then the next part. We have total cost increase from 20,900 to 29,334 and something, divided by the output increase of 190 to 275. So we divide by 85, giving us here marginal cost of 99.2265. Then the next step, we go 37,275 minus 29,334.25, and all of this divided by 355 minus 275, resulting here in 99.2531. Then finally we have 44,720 minus the cost from the period from the part before, so 37,275. This difference divided by 430 minus 355, giving us here marginal cost of 99.2667. And well, this fills in the table as far as possible and thereby already concludes the short exercise. And I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're looking for more exercises, feel free to visit the rest of the exercise set or have a look in the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.